Hi, my name is Rain, also known as Akosi Ibarra, the author of Project Loki.
Yeah, kamusta?
Hi, Sir Erich.
So what keeps you busy nowadays?
Nowadays, I'm writing stories. I'm continuing the updates on my ongoing stories on Wattpad, and I'm also finishing some of the editorial work on my soon-to-be published books.
Yan. Congratulations at
Thank you.
alam ko meron kang bagong books na lalabas. I know na mystery talaga and parang
Yes.
detective. Paborito ba si Conan?
Yes, ever since napanood ko yung Detective Conan na pinalabas sa GMA7 around 2007, I've become a big fan. And until now, sinusubaybayan ko pa rin siya.
Aside sa Conan, since you are in a book, syempre iba yung ano, 'di ba, nakuha natin pag napapanood natin. Nagbabasa ka din ba ng mga books pa as a reference, parang ganun?
Yes, I think one of the biggest inspirations when writing mysteries for me is Sherlock Holmes. So I really bought yung dalawang volumes na nagko-contain nung napakaraming short stories at saka yung 4 novels ng Sherlock Holmes series. And aside from reading those books, pinapanood ko rin yung mga modern adaptation ng probably the most famous fictional detective.
Yeah, that's great. Anyway, as a person naman, 'di ba? Syempre, hindi mo maiiwasan na i-compare mo yung sarili mo sa mga characters na nagagawa mo. So far, kung ikaw ang kung tatanungin kita, sinong character mong sa book na nagawa mo, sino yung mas malapit sa I mean, parang kaugali mo siya, parang ganun.
I would say Luthor from Project Loki, probably my most popular story to date. Kasi mahilig siyang mag-work behind the scenes. Yung mga efforts niya hindi masyadong napapansin ng public pero damang-dama mo yung kanyang impact. So in the same light, I am a writer and mas prefer ko talaga na mag-work behind the screen, behind the camera, para ma-execute yung dapat kong ma-execute. And I find solace in pulling the strings behind the curtains and really working behind the scenes talaga.
No. Siyempre, ikaw nagsusulat ka ngayon.
Yes.
Do you have a parang collab author then in mind nowadays?
Nowadays, wala pa ako naiisip. Although, nakakollab ko na isang fellow mystery writer ko sa SciComm. But I'm open naman to collaboration sa mga mystery writer. Pero if you were to ask me kung anong klaseng mystery writer siguro, I would prefer someone who can write villains, yung mga serial killer types, para ma-challenge yung mga detective characters ko, para magka-complement kami when it comes to this story.
What is the nicest things na mga nasasabi sa'yo ng writer? Na as in ng reader, I mean.
I think yung isa sa mga pinaka-tumatak talaga sa akin is yung sinabi nila na na-inspire ko sila in their lives and pinursu nila yung mga bagay na sabihin na nating nabanggit ko or pinopromote ko sa mga story ko. Kuwari, may mga minsan sa mga book signings, ganun, may mga lumalapit sa akin. Then sabi, Kuya, tinake ko po yung criminology, forensic science, or journalism kasi na-inspire po ako sa stories niyo. So, in a way, masaya ako na kahit paano may mga ganong reaction yung readers. And I think isa yun sa mga malalaking bagay na na nagpapasaya sa mga kagaya ko na manunulat na kahit paano may impact kami dun sa mga decision at buhay ng mga mambabasa.
Yes, maganda talaga yung at least alam mo na may napapatunguhan yung mga ginagawa mo. Hindi lang sulat ako lang ng sulat, parang something like that. But this one is medyo personal, but I hope it's okay.
Sure, it's
The
okay.
question is, when it comes to relationship, bakit relationship agad?
Relationship.
Oo, so when it comes to relationship, ano yung non-negotiable para sa'yo?
I think for me, well, top of mind answer siguro is dapat may pangarap yung partner ko. Meron siyang goal sa buhay. Kung wala siguro siyang goals or aspirations, siguro mapapadalawang isip ako kung matutuloy ba yung relationship namin. Pero as long as she has a goal, she has a purpose that she wants to fulfill, I think our relationship will work out.
Pero may iba tayo. Relationship agad eh. Wala pa tayo dun sa dream date. Oo, meron dito. Sorry ah. So, pero ano ba yung mga ano mo? Ano ba yung parang dream date, yung idea mo? Parang ito yung dream date ko na gagawin ko para sa mahal ko.
Okay, for me kasi kung hindi obvious, medyo tahimik akong tao, so medyo private ako. So I prefer to have a date sa isang private place. Yung tahimik lang, siguro sa isang beach, date by the beach na wala masyadong tao, then just enjoy the view, the sound of the crashing waves, the night sky, the dome full of stars. So I think that's enough for me. That would be the best date that I can probably provide for my partner, or at least yun yung pwedeng i-regalo sa akin if ever na ako yung i-date ng
Ayan,
partner.
alam na ninyo. Alam na. As a person, di ba, as an individual, what is your safety blanket? Napakaramdo ng question natin, di ba?
Safety blanket. Napaisip ako dyan kung ano yung safety blanket. I'm not sure if this fits the definition of safety blanket, pero I think my phone, kasi I feel protected and secure kapag dala-dala ko yung phone ko. Kasi if ever I get lost somewhere, I can go back to where I was, or I can call for help, or I can order some food just in case na nagugutom ako. So that provides me a lot of comfort talaga. And I won't leave my house without my phone kasi I know that I have to have that thing in my pocket.
Okay. Pero syempre, di ba, speaking of food, ano ba ang comfort food mo?
For me, chocolates, ice cream, anything that can boost my serotonin levels kasi talagang minsan stressful yung mga araw natin, yung mga sinusulat, yung mga na-encounter natin. So just a bite of or hindi isang galon, isang tub ng ice cream will probably uplift my mood.
Ayan, para sa mga nagbabalak magpa-uplift ng mood ni ako si Ibarra, ayan, eto na. Ice cream daw. Ayan, the last question na meron ako rito is, syempre, we know naman, Precious Pages and Wattpad has a collaboration,
Yes.
di ba? How do you feel about that? And ano yung nagpapa-excite sa iyo for this one as being part of this collaboration?
Okay, first and foremost, I am happy to be part of this collaboration between the two giants in their own respective fields. And happy rin ako kasi isa ang Precious Pages talaga sa mga established na publishers in the Philippines. And when it comes to quality, I think it's one of the top most rated na publishers pagdating sa output sa book. So I'm really, really excited to see kung ano yung kalalabasan ng book ko. Abangan niyo kung anong title niyan. And I'm really looking forward to if ever magkakaroon ng events, of course, I look forward to sitting in their booth ng Precious Pages, ng LIB, and then signing your books, striking a pose with my readers, and then having fun with the people. And yeah, more power sa Precious Pages as well as Wattpad Webtoon Studios.
Thank you so much, ladies and gentlemen.
Thank you.
Ako si Ibarra.
Thank you so much.